Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jordana May Chua. I'm a caregiving student. So today I'm going to show you the procedures and how to properly bathe an infant, bottle sterilization, proper formula feeding, and burping. So first, we need to sterilize the bottle. So what we need to do is we need to get a clean pot and fill it with water. So we just need to boil first, and then while waiting for the water to boil, we need to prepare our bottles. So first, we need to clean the bottle, and we need to use hand soap or dishwashing soap. So, and also we need to use a bottle brush. So first, we need to get soap, and then use the bottle brush so that all the particles will be removed as well, and then shake it and properly rinse it. And also repeat the process on the nipple. So we need also to use a nipple brush. So we gently squeeze it inside and then rinse it with water. Okay, so now the water is already boiling. We will just put inside first the bottle and then the nipple. Alright, so we will just wait for it to boil, for the water to boil. Today I'm going to show you the proper procedures on how to bathe your baby. Bathing your baby any time of the day is okay, but it is advisable to do so before a feed. So here are the things that you need to have before bathing a baby. First, you need to have a clean towel, a face cloth, baby diaper, a clean baby clothes, a baby bath shampoo, cotton balls, a bathtub or a basin will do, a jug of warm water, a jug of cool boiled water. Alright, so first, you need to put the cool boiled water first on the tub. And next, mix it with the warm water up to 1/3 level of the tub. Make sure that the water is comfortably warm and it is not too hot. So to check for the temperature, you can use your forearm. And then when it's already okay, then just mix the water well. And then you can put 2 drops of the baby shampoo. 1, 2. And mix it well. Alright, so now place the baby onto the towel and gently remove his vest. Just keep the diapers on and wrap the baby with the towel. Make sure that the feet and the hands are wrapped. Okay, so now we need first to clean the baby's eyes. Get a cotton ball and dip it with the cold water and squeeze it. And you can clean the baby's eyes from the inward going outside. Now we're done washing the baby's face, we're going to wash the baby's hair. Okay, so we will just carry the baby using a football hand with the palm of your head supporting his head and neck. And then we will remove the support from his head. Alright, so by doing this football hold, just gently tilt your baby to the basin and then slowly wash his head. Alright, so when we're done, we are just going to dry the baby's head with the towel. And then we're going to put back the baby onto the towel. And then it is the time to remove the baby's diaper. Now we're done washing the baby's head. We're going to wash the baby's body. So first you need to hold your baby using a football hold still. And then support the baby's shoulder using your left hand. Allow your baby to sit in the tub while still supporting the baby's shoulder. Make sure that the head of the baby is above the water level. You can use a clean face cloth to wash the baby's front and private area of the body. Once you're done with the front area, you can now use it onto the back area of the baby. Alright, so once you're done, gently put back the baby onto the towel. And we will pat dry the baby. And then you can use the towel to wrap him. And then your baby is now ready for a good feed. Once we're done with bathing the baby, you need to make sure that the baby's clothes is comfortable for the baby to have a good sleep as well. So do not overdress your baby. You can also apply baby lotion so that the baby's skin will be moisturized. And then after that, we are going to prepare the baby's formula. So right now, I'm going to show you the steps on formula feeding. So we're done already with the sterilization of the bottle. So it is already cool. So we are just going to get the bottle inside and also the nipple. Alright, so make sure that the milk that you are going to use is not an infant formula. It should be a first infant formula. Okay, so this is a boiled water. So make sure that the water is boiled. The water that you're going to use is boiled. So Fill the bottle with boiled water up until 30 ml. So for this, I'm going to use 30 ml of water. So 30 ml is equal to one scoop of milk. Alright. We need to shake it first. And let it cool. You can also use a cooled water and then place the bottom part of the bottle so that it will cool faster. So once the milk is already cool, place the baby into your okay, so when the milk is already cool, we are just going to give it to the baby. And make sure that you are going to use eye contact while you are feeding the baby, so that it will make you closer to your infant. It will serve as your bond as well while doing eye contact with your baby. And when you are already seeing that the baby is already full, hold your baby upright and gently tap the baby's back so that the baby will burp. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching my video.